This is Govee's M1 Light Strip, but is it worth it? Number one, I've compared well over 10 of the leading light strips to this one, but none of them compare to this one when we talk about the different effects you get. There are so many different scenes to choose from, and lots of them change colors and move to recreate what they're named after. There's also the coloring mode, which allows you to color each part of the light strip differently, and you can download these DIY effects that other users have created. All of this on top of a brand new AI feature that just allows you to ask for the effect you're looking for. Number two, the quality of manufacturing is really high. If you haven't purchased Govee products before, then you won't know that. But in our comparisons versus other light strips, these stay stuck to surfaces when installed correctly. They can be bent really easily to make corners look nice, and I haven't seen any colors or color temperatures changing and looking poor after what is now a couple of years of use. Longevity is really great here. Number three, not only can you pair these with other M1 light strips, but they can also be used in conjunction with just about every other Govee lighting product. That, alongside some easy to pick scenes and effects, means that your home will feel coordinated and you won't really have to think about it. These are some of the best light strips available today, and if you're into home automation, these also have some of the best features with Amazon's voice assistant, and they have some pretty good features with Google too. So for us, these light strips are totally worth the price, and the only consideration you'll have is which length of LED strip to buy.